In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an invoice in Wise Business. If you need a simple way to bill a client and make it easy for them to pay, Wise Business gives you a straightforward invoicing tool that you can use in just a few minutes. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the full process from signing in to sending the invoice so you can complete it confidently and avoid missing any important details. Start by logging into your Wise Business account. Make sure you're using the correct business profile if you manage more than one account, because invoices should be created from the right business workspace. Once you're signed in, take a moment to confirm that you're on the main dashboard and ready to access your payment tools. Next, go to the Payments section, or in some account layouts, the Manage area. From there, look for the option labeled Request Money or Invoices. The wording may vary slightly depending on updates to the platform, but you're looking for the invoicing feature that lets you create a payment request for a client. Click into that section to begin setting up your invoice. Now enter your customer's details or select them if they already exist in your records. Be careful here, because the invoice will be sent directly to the contact information you use. Double check that the client's name and email address are correct so the invoice reaches the right person without delay. If you're adding a new customer, fill in the requested fields clearly and accurately. After that, enter the invoice information itself. Input the amount your client needs to pay, then choose the due date. It's a good idea to set a realistic deadline that matches your payment terms. You'll also want to add a description so your client understands exactly what the invoice is for. Then complete the line items, listing the products or services included. This is especially useful because it gives the invoice more clarity and helps prevent confusion later. Make sure the totals, descriptions, and dates all look correct before moving on. Once everything is filled out, click Create and Send. This will email the invoice directly to your client, and the payment details will be embedded in the invoice, making it easier for them to complete the payment. Before you finish, it's worth doing one final review of the information on screen to catch any mistakes. And that's it. You've successfully created and sent an invoice in Wise Business.